So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to avail the free trial of Adobe Photoshop. So let's begin the video. So first of all, open any browser available in your desktop and search for Photoshop. Here in the top you can see Adobe Photoshop. Click on that site and then choose free trial. Now here you can choose if you are individual, business or students or teacher. I'm an individual, so I'm choosing individual, and after that click on continue. Here you have to choose the subscription after the free trial ends, and after choosing the subscription, if you want to add a 7-day free trial of Adobe stock, you can check mark this box and after that click on continue. You can see it's 0 for now, and after the free trial ends, your subscription will be started. If you just want to avail the free trial only, then you have to just cancel the subscription before the free trial ends. So if you will cancel the subscription before the free trial ends, then no money will be charged from you. And after seeing the billing details, click on continue, and here add your email address in which you have logged in to Photoshop. And after that, click on continue and add your card details. And after adding the card details, your Adobe Photoshop free trial will be started. So that's how you can avail the free trial of Adobe Photoshop. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.